Welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest research for you. Today, we are looking at a groundbreaking project called PianoCoRe. Have you ever wondered how computers learn to play the piano with human-like feeling? It turns out, teaching AI to play like a professional requires a massive amount of high-quality data. Most existing digital music libraries are either too small or full of errors. To fix this, researchers created PianoCoRe, the largest and most refined collection of piano MIDI data ever assembled. This massive dataset contains over 250,000 performances of more than 5,600 musical pieces. In total, that is over 21,000 hours of performed music captured in a digital format. The team combined several existing open-source libraries, but found they were often messy and inconsistent. They developed a multi-stage pipeline to unify these sources into one clean, standardized collection. One major challenge was that many recordings contained noise or corrupted data that could confuse an AI. To solve this, they built a specialized AI classifier that can spot bad recordings automatically. This tool identifies files that are either broken or too robotic to be useful for learning expression. They also created a system called RAScoP to align the performances perfectly with their original sheet music. This is crucial because it allows the computer to see exactly how a human changed the timing or volume of a specific note. If a performance had missing notes or timing jitters, the RAScoP pipeline cleaned and fixed those errors. The researchers organized the data into tiered subsets based on quality and detail. This helps other scientists choose the right amount of data for their specific research goals. They tested their new dataset by using it to train a music rendering AI model. The results showed that models trained on PianoCoRe were much more stable and accurate than those using older data. Specifically, the AI became much better at handling new pieces it had never seen before. This suggests that the scale and variety of the dataset are key to creating more human artificial intelligence. To recap, PianoCoRe provides a massive, high-quality foundation for the next generation of music research. It combines the diversity of large-scale transcriptions with the precision of high-fidelity recordings. This project bridges the gap between raw data and the emotional nuances of a live performance. In the future, this could lead to AI that composes and performs music with genuine emotional depth. It might also help music historians analyze how performance styles have changed over centuries. By making this data open source, the researchers are inviting the whole world to innovate in music technology. It is a huge step forward for the field of music information retrieval. Thank you for watching Summarize Science, and stay tuned for more fascinating research updates.